Hello everybody, I'm Lisa Noto and today I want to tell you everything about pure and organic moringa oil. So moringa oil is the signature product at Lisa Noto Natural Cosmetics. We've using it and are crazy about it since 2017. And it is truly the only skincare product you need to nourish, smooth, and get that beautiful glow. Moringa oil is a multi-purpose product. It is so easy to use and it's super effective. Actually, moringa oil comes from the moringa tree, and you might know, but in the wellness and health industry, moringa is a superfood. So when you use it as an oil, it is still a superfood for your skin. That's all I have right now. That's what I'm using for many years now. And all our customers are telling us that it truly changed their life. Why is that? Well, moringa oil, first of all, you use it on damp skin because the mix of water and oil, it helps penetrate in the skin cells. And moringa oil is full of amino acids, and the amino acids are nourishing the skin, the cells. They're helping produce a natural collagen, and that gives it plumps your cells and gives a very smooth finish to your skin. Once you use your moringa oil, you don't need anything else. It doesn't leave a greasy finish. It gives you that very natural glow. It's a translucent, but with a golden translucent color. So it gives you that very nice glow, like sun bath glow. Amazing. And that's it. You use it in the morning and in the evening, and you have your skincare routine done and truly, truly effective. Moringa oil is packed with antioxidants, so that is fighting the aging of skin. So it's anti-aging big time. There are 42 antioxidant compounds in the moringa oil. It is also full of anti-inflammatory compounds. So for fragile skin, problem skin, it is amazing. By the way, it's great for every age and every gender: men, women, children, adolescents, teenagers, and adults, and older people, 65 plus. It's just really a miracle oil. It's good for everybody. So when you buy it, if you have a family, everybody can use it. It's super safe. It's pure. Lisa Noto moringa oil is organic. It is fair trade, and it comes from India. We have a nice family working on an organic moringa farm, and that's where we are producing our moringa oil. So antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compound, and amino acids, 21 types of amino acids to plump and nourish your cells. So on top of it, you have vitamin A and vitamin C that is truly soothing for the skin. They are really two great vitamins for a glowing and healthy looking skin. And so that's for the benefits. And you can use moringa oil in different ways. As I said, it's good for all ages. It's good for skin problems. If you have acne, it treats acne. If you have eczema, it treats eczema. It's good after shaving because of the anti-inflammatory compounds. It really makes a huge difference. It's a good for the face, of course, but it's also good for the whole body, for parts on your body that might have been stretched. If you have stretch marks, after birth, before, during, and after birth it's great. So anywhere where you need a very deep and nourishing treatment, it does treat the stretch marks. And also it's good for hair. It's amazing to keep your hair strong and healthy and shiny and everything. So when you're done applying your moringa oil, you still have a little bit left on your hands, you can use it on your hair for hair strength. So that is it for today. Let me know, have you ever tried moringa oil? If not, you have to. You won't regret it, because it is truly a miracle oil, multi-purpose, an everyday essential. And at LISA NOTO, we're all about a simple and effective beauty routine, because we have so much to do. We want something that will work, and of course, that's 100% natural. See you next time.